Dear Zoe, a few years back, your brother started the annual summer tradition of picking tomatoes from your grandma's garden. You're almost 2 now, and with that comes an increase in dexterity, which is especially important in tomato picking. You also took instruction well and only picked the red ones. You thoroughly enjoyed picking tomatoes, but not as much as we enjoyed watching you. Eating tomatoes, on the other hand, you wouldn't put it anywhere near your mouth. Zoe, did you have fun picking tomatoes?
Yeah.
Making winter soften, seasons only, nature calling, always changing, soon and often.
Do you like the tomato bread?